Okay, as you guys know, I downloaded Copilot. It's an AI talking thing. I told it to create the most scariest version of Andrew Dillingham with 288 billion sharp teeth. It scared me, okay? Don't get me wrong. If you got scared of creating the most of Copilot creating the most scariest version of you, comment down below because I got scared for the most part, okay? There are other versions of me with that many sharp teeth, razor sharp, I mean. Like, come on now. Does Copilot and ChatGPT want me to get scared or something? Guys, I don't get it. I just don't.